pop in here to ANH and see if we can talk to someone. Just walk around a little bit for now, see what's on display. One of the things that we have seen today, and we've seen at other places as well, are these drone systems, these drone stations that have everything you need from the charging port to the landing pads of the drones as well. Just see a little bit of what's going on here. I think they are busy right now, so I'm trying to figure out if we can just look on our own. Oh, here we go. Of course, the video behind us just showing us many varied uses of the drone technology, whether it be for package delivery, taxis in the future, or even saving people. We have someone to talk to now.
Hi.
Hello, how's
Hi.
it going?
I'm good. Yourself?
I'm fantastic. Can you introduce yourself to
In English or Korean?
either one?
Whatever is
you
okay.
choose.
Hey, my name is Hyun Soo-an. I'm the CEO of the ANH Structure. We are happy to here to open our product. So we have main focus on actually the specialized mission equipment.
Okay.
So this is actually 14 special mission equipment for the drone. It's a plug and play device.
Oh, they all connect very simply.
So for all same.
Right. So, show us one of them. Can you introduce
Yeah,
us to
this
one
is
of these?
the drop to save in the water. So the people
Oh, it's a rescue.
like the rescue
Ah.
drop.
So this thing, it'll drop, and then these things will open up somehow and get to
Yes.
the person that needs to
Yes.
be saved.
Yeah. That's the bottom.
There we go.
Yeah.
So this one used for maritime rescues.
Yeah. This one is speaker for the police and the coast guard. This
Oh,
is,
wow.
This is neck gun for the illegal drone.
Oh,
This
so
is
that's
a neck gun.
So you have a jammer
Yeah.
there.
This is light for the police as well.
Yeah.
This is jammer for the also illegal.
Another jammer. Yeah.
And this is another camera for the disaster, national disaster. And this is a radiator.
And so all of these can be attached to the drone.
It's any drones.
Any drone up
Any
there.
drones. So we have. I can show you this one. So this one is all control board, and this is a hard the equipment. So there's all actually same interface.
Right.
So this one is on the drone, the top, and this board is on top of any drones, and just plug and play.
Right. Yeah. Very simple.
Yeah. All right.
Yep. Thank you for showing us. I have one question.
Yes.
What's that?
That's a satellite launching vehicle fuel tank.
Oh, really?
This is not a drone.
No.
But that one is liquid oxygen.
Oh, really?
That's very low temperature. This is minus 200 degree. For the next generation, for the UAM, we definitely need liquid hydrogen.
Right.
So we have a carbon fiber composite liquid oxygen tank. This one is liquid hydrogen tank. This for the UAM.
Got it.
So that one is actual tested or finished. This one is concept.
Got it. Well, thank you so much for explaining all of this to us.
All right, okay.
Really
Thanks.
interesting.
Yeah. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, and you too.
Cheers.
Cheers.